Hey everyone, want to make your group photos look sharper, livelier, and more professional? Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI enhanced group photos with Meta's Edit. Let's get started. First, open the Meta AI and here on the left side of the screen, tap the plus icon to start a new edit. Then here choose a photo library to access your saved pictures. Then browse and select the group photo that you want to enhance. Then here in the prompt box, describe exactly how you want to enhance the image, like this example prompt here. Then, after done typing your prompt, let the Meta AI process. Wait for a few seconds while the Meta AI applies your requested enhancement. And after that, you can now check the improved version, and if you're happy with the result, you can save it or share. And that's it. With just prompt and a few taps, you can turn any group photo into polished, professional looking shot using Meta AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.